Welcome back. Let me see. Let me find where we are, just so I can watch comments a little bit easier. If you didn't check the replay earlier, we did a onesie with the pinwheels, and we didn't put any words on it. We just did a couple pinwheels, and I'll snap a picture of that. It's drying, and show you guys that. So I just take my transfer envelope, fold it in half on these small ones, and then just slide it in there. This is like a 6-month size, 3 to 6 months, I would say. My babies were bigger, so I'm gonna go 3 months. So because I no longer have any babies at home, hi Johnny, welcome and thank you for hopping back on. I want to give these away, so share it with, tag somebody that has a 3-month-old or a newborn or is expecting. And let me tell you, I'm so glad that you guys chose Freedom over Celebrate. I love Celebrate also, but Freedom to me could mean freedom, like 4th of July freedom, or freedom, I'm out of the womb freedom. So it could go both ways on that, and lots of fun there. I like that. So we're gonna do that first. I'm just gonna do it along the side right here. You don't have to pre-fuzz or fuzz these because we're going on fabric, but you do want to make sure that it's really well adhered. And I'm going to do this in our fawn ink with our mini squeegee. I'm just going to load up my squeegee. I went with non-traditional 4th of July colors on this one, just so that it could be worn more than just for the holiday. And it's kind of a mauvey pink, so it's a little bit, it's not a traditional 4th of July shirt color to begin with, so switching it up a little bit I think is okay. All right, that plastic is under there just to prevent it from bleeding through. You really don't need it for any other reason. Peel that up. And then I am going to do the pinwheel. I washed this. If you do not have our board erasers, these are like magic erasers for your transfers. They also work great on our chalkboards, but I love them for our transfers also. They get most of the ink. So you can see this one had red on it, and before using those, the red would be really prominent and on there. Oh, I wanted that fawn back out for that. So I'm just going to stick that on there. I'm going to do fawn on this. Again, avoiding those registration marks. You can put washi tape. My dog's going bonkers out there. You can put washi tape underneath those and prevent the ink from going on for like permanent applications, from it getting on your project. There have been many times where I have started and then the ink has accidentally gotten away from me and gone over there. So, highly recommend the washi tape also. Alright, peel that up. Let that dry for a second. We're going to do the checkered on this one. Let me see. Johnny, what are you up to tonight? And let that dry for a few minutes. What are you doing? It was like abnormally hot for Washington. I'm not a warm, I don't love this hot weather. Where we are moving, it's going to be hot in the summers, and that worries me a little bit, but it'll be okay. It will be okay. All right, I'm gonna line these up the best I can. If we were on a chalkboard and we were using the registration marks, then that would be perfect. And then I am using our Couture Teal ink and going over this, again avoiding those registration marks. Scrape the extra off. I got burnt when we were doing our garage sales. And then, how cute. I love that. And then now I have like farmer's tan. So now I need to, originally I was gonna do black on here on my holder, but I think I'm gonna switch it up and go with gray, which means I have to find it. So, one sec. I think with the soft colors, that gray would just, like our storm color, would just be prettier. What's this taupe? I have some really vintage ones in here. Try not to shake it too bad. Here we go. Here's Storm. I think they'll be just a little bit softer. Hi, Lakeisha. How are you? So I'm just gonna grab it and go over it a couple times. Just pulling the ink onto the screen and then scraping the extra off. And then if you guys have never seen ink, this will dry and then we'll heat press it with either a household iron or a heat press or the Cricut press. And then once it's heat set, it is machine washable. It will not come out. So again, if you know somebody with like a newborn or up to like 3 months, I would say, tag them in here and we will mail them out. I'm gonna pick 2 winners and they'll get either this onesie or this one for the 4th. And I cleaned up that little spot. I gotta clean up a little bit more. But you can see how easy it was. So much fun. So I'm gonna hop off here. My family just got home a little bit ago. So I'm gonna hop off and spend some time with them and then hit the hay because it is, it's only Wednesday and we have a full week ahead of us with the end of school and moving and everything. So anyways, I hope that you guys have a fabulous night and thank you for joining me. Bye.